tribe? It's your boy C's once again, and happy Labor Day. Today, instead of sprints, I'm doing suicides because somebody awesome decided to paint lines along this field back here, and decided to do some suicides today, which is in turn helping keep and maintain my conditioning, because today is the last day here in Salt Lake, so I will be heading back to the Bean later on tonight on the red eye. So I should be in Boston bright and early tomorrow morning and ready to train. It's been an awesome trip so far, done a ton, shared a ton, and looking forward to contribute more to the Boston fitness community. So I'm just gonna finish my last couple rounds here and get about this day. I'm tired. Fuck.